Okay friends, in this lesson we are going to talk about the code editors. If you have coded anything before, if you have worked on HTML and CSS before, the code editor might not be a new thing for you. Code editor is a file where you write, edit and save your codes. There are plenty of code editors which are available in the market. You can use the code editor of your choice or the one you are comfortable with, but my favorite one is Sublime Text Editor or brackets. So it is recommended that you use Sublime Text Editor or bracket for this course, but it is totally up to you. If you want to go for Atom or Notepad++, you can download all of them for free from the internet. However, Sublime Text Editor is not free, although you can use its trial version till you purchase the full version. So let's learn how to download Sublime Text Editor. Okay, I have just come to Google and typing download Sublime Text 3. Open the first link. Download your relevant version. I am downloading Windows 64-bit here. Start download, and after downloading it will be looking like this. We are ready to start our work on it. So guys, see you in the next section.